Hello, administrators, teachers, parents, and friends. The app that I've evaluated today is called Neardpod. This app is a highly interactive presentation tool that allows for active engagement, critical thinking, and collaborative work. This app really allows students to dive deep into the material by learning through hands-on experience. They are able to actively engage with discussion boards. They are able to take formative assessments, which gives real-time feedback to teachers through surveys, polls, or quizzes. And they're also able to be involved creatively through a drawing board. So students would be able to join a lesson with a code that brings up the whole entire presentation on their own screen. There's 3 ways that teachers can present it. They can present it with live participation. So if the teacher is in front of the classroom, they are able to pull it up on the whiteboard or blackboard, the smartboard, and students are able to pull it up on their own devices. Then there's also student-paced, where students are given the code and they can work on it on their own time in their own setting, which would be perfect for homework or other activities at home with parents' involvement as well. Or there can be the front of the class option where devices or student devices are not needed, and the teacher would just pull it up onto the smartboard. So this is what it would look like to create your own Nearpod. Nearpod has so many interactive activities that you can include. So there's the normal slide, like in a presentation where you just want to add text and information. There's web content, so you can put in your own URL or one that you found on the web and insert there. You can do a 3D Nearpod, which includes these 3D images, which really helps for all your visual learners. There's also these PhET simulations, which would be great for the sciences and math to incorporate STEM into your lessons. There's also these virtual field trips, which give you a 3D image of whatever place you're teaching about. There's lots of good options on here to really get the students involved and have a more engaging PowerPoint or present. So the other thing that is amazing about Nearpod is that it allows for so much feedback for the teachers, and interaction with assessments. So students can do matching pairs, they can do quizzes, they can watch Flipgrid or create Flipgrid videos. They can also do a collaborate board where they write out their responses or type out their responses, and everyone else can see that. They can do polls and fill in the blanks. And also this one is Draw It, where they are able to draw their whatever information the teacher is asking in their question. So it really allows for students to get involved in the content that the teacher is teaching. Nearpod also has a lot of already pre-made lessons. So if students are curious to learn about more information on a certain topic, or if the teacher assigns one of the activities for homework, this would be a great place for them to go and find those resources. So there's English language arts, math, science, social studies, technology, and computer science. And there's also different ages, so for whatever student needs. So this would be an example of what teachers could do on Nearpod. They could take a virtual reality field trip. This one is an example of Poland and how the Holocaust happened. So this is one of the already made presentations, and this is what like the virtual reality would look like. So students can really engage with the material in a hands-on way, and students would be able to fill out those formative assessments and share their information with partners or with their classmates, allowing for that collaboration. So Nearpod would be a great tool to incorporate into the classroom.